Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tech Bunch. My name is Shubham Giri and I'm back with yet another video where I'll show you how you can make money online. So this platform is called Rewritee, and out here all you need to do is write some simple blogs and start earning. So this platform is really simple and is suited for anyone who can write blogs or who is good at writing. So they can write blogs in different topics and they'll get paid on the number of views that they'll get on this platform. So it's really easy to get started out here, and all you need to do is write some simple blogs, be it in 250 words, 500 words, whatever your convenience is, and you get paid on the number of views that you get on your blog. And even you can do affiliate marketing as well. You can add affiliate links if you have any and make money by doing that as well. So it's really easy to get started out here, and in the coming part of the video I'll show you the exact steps on how you should get started. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the platform. I'll give you the link to this website in the description below, so you will directly land here. So let's have a quick look on what it actually is and how it can benefit you. So first up we have who can join. Anyone who writes well or who has a passion of writing. Almost all of us can join who has some interest in writing and want to make money from it. So this is the payment option that you'll get. $1 for 1k views from any country. So that's not that much of a job. You can easily get 1k views by promoting it on social media or among your friends, family. So that's really easy, and you get paid $1. So that is huge for some other countries, and you get paid $1 for each 1k views. So that is easy one to get started, and you get paid on your PayPal account, Google Pay or Skrill. So whichever method you have, you get paid through any of these accounts. So the minimum payout is 5 USD, and you can even promote your posts anywhere or any website that you like to, and you can even attach affiliate marketing links on your posts, which will definitely help you to earn in different ways as well. So the minimum word requirement is at least 250 words, which is in general the right amount for any article to get started with. So it's not that much of a job. You can easily spare some time out here and write different blogs and make money for yourself. So this is all about Rewritee. Now we'll get started with the registration process. So simply click on register. And out here you have to fill out your username, your first name, last name, your email address, your password, and check these two boxes. Click on that, and you can click on upload photo, and you should be done with that. And you can add about section as well, a brief introduction about yourself. Click on add some information, and this is where you can specify about yourself. Go ahead and give a brief demo about yourself in order to let the audience know. If you have any of these, you can give links to these accounts as well, which will help you in order to gain more views and more money as well. You can even choose a payment method. So this is how your profile will look like. You can check your earnings out here. Post. And this is where you have to write your article or blog on any topic that you are interested in. Let's say technology, and you can select the category that it belongs into. It belongs in category, and it belongs in technology. So I've clicked technology, and this is where you need to describe about your post or articles, and you can even insert different photos if you are really interested in it. If you find any relevant photos, you can even insert those photos as well. And this is where you need to provide short description, like the gist of your article, what it tells, what is the objective. And once you're done with these process, once you're done with the writing, check this box and click on submit. So that's how easy it is in order to get started on Rewritee and make money for yourself. So most of us write articles or blogs on different platforms where we don't get anything in return. So this is the best platform to write posts or blogs on Rewritee and get a good amount in return as well. So that's Rewritee for you. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me, because I'll be coming out with more videos like this one which will help you to make money online. So thanks for watching, guys. That was it for today.